Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the cornbread for dressing. Preheat the oven and lightly grease a pan, then combine cornmeal, flour, leavening, salt, and sugar. Whisk wet ingredients separately, fold gently to avoid overmixing, and pour batter into the pan. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Cool completely before crumbling for dressing so the crumbs hold moisture but stay cohesive. Keep flavors simple and complementary when prepping cornbread for dressing. Cook aromatic vegetables in butter until tender, then mix into crumbled cornbread with herbs and seasoning. If adding protein like sausage, ensure it is well cooked and drained so it doesn't make the dressing soggy. Taste and adjust salt and pepper before combining with stock. Aim for a moist but not wet mix so it absorbs flavors without collapsing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts, especially when you're standing in the kitchen for long hours. I use them during holiday prep, and they make long cooks way more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control moisture carefully to get the perfect dressing consistency. Add warm stock a little at a time, stirring and testing so the crumbs hold together but remain tender. Bake the assembled dressing covered to steam through, then uncover near the end to brown and crisp the top. Let it rest briefly after baking so juices redistribute. Serve warm to enjoy the contrast of creamy interior and golden edges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.